Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Before we start, please at least subscribe so we can have little money for food and paying bills. Alright, today we are going to talk about how to know if your friend is truly trustworthy. Wondering if you can really trust a friend? Here's how to figure it out, one step at a time. 1. What we want from friends. You want friends who keep your secrets, your thoughts, fears, embarrassing stories, safe. More than that, you want kindness, honesty, acceptance, and support. Basically, someone who's got your back. But no one's perfect. Sooner or later, a friend might hurt or disappoint you, and you'll probably do the same. It's part of being human. 2. When trust is broken, not all betrayals are the same. Some are small, like a careless comment, and can be worked through. Talking things out or forgiving helps strengthen the friendship. But if someone hurts you deeply and makes you question their care for you, it may be the end of that friendship. Sad, but it teaches you what you will and won't accept. 3. When expectations don't match. Sometimes, it's not betrayal, it's mismatched expectations. Not every friend will drop everything at 2 a.m., and that's okay. If you're often disappointed, ask yourself if you're expecting too much from a casual friendship. Look for smaller signs of trust. Do they show up? Listen, enjoy spending time with you. A friend can care, even if they're forgetful, bad at texting, or not great with deep talks. 4. Giving trust a chance. Don't let fear of being let down keep you from trusting. Holding back only leads to shallow connections. Trust takes courage, especially if you've been hurt, but you don't have to give it all at once. Share gradually and see how it goes. 5. Testing the waters. There's no surefire way to know if someone's trustworthy. It's something you learn over time. Maybe you share something, and they open up too. Maybe you support each other through problems. Or maybe you resolve a conflict and come out stronger. Little by little, trust grows as you spend time together. Trust takes time, but it's worth the effort. The right people will show you they're worth it too. Thanks for watching, Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting Sunbro.